We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned about the different possibility, and even we mentioned maybe we can consider this one as a correction relative to this. Anyway, we conclude that we're looking for buy, and you mentioned if you want to look for buy, one of the option was to have entry above the top, above this, which is around 0.293, because we want to see the price sharply break and continue, and exactly this is what we get. And whoever get this trade, if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. But the best thing is at least half of the trade they take out in the profit, and the rest move their stop loss to break even and let it go. Because if we put our fib based on this one retracement, almost the price broke the 61%. And right now the only thing is we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop, which is this one. That means somewhere around 0.357 or not. That's why I mentioned the best thing is at least half of the trade we take out in the profit, and the rest we move our stop loss into the break even. It depends on the traders. Okay. Now I want to see what's the next. If we move to daily chart, the only things we want to see whether the price can break this correction or not. And the highest price of this correction is somewhere around 0.358, 0.360. All right, that's mean around 36 cent. All right. And if I move to forward chart, it will be more clear. That's mean mostly we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. If I put my line here, it will be more clear. Okay, we want to see the breakout of this, which we can confirm the breakout of this correction. And if there is a continuation, and the next level I'm looking for with the breakout of the previous stop, I'm looking for the zero point 0.4 following by 0.45. We want to see if the price can break the previous stop, and after that I'm looking for 0.4. We want to see whether the price can break this zone for continuation or not. Okay, anyway, if the price continue as I mentioned, the next level after the breakout of 0.358, all right, we're looking for the zero point 0.4 following by 0.45, almost 40 and 45 cents. Okay, but since the price moved really sharp, and whoever wants to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. As I mentioned, for me, half of the trade I will take out, and the rest I just move it into break even and let it go. Since sometimes when we see this kind of the sharp move, even we can expect the price to drop and reverse. All right, because it's still, we cannot put this one as a part of this move. All right, but as I mentioned, we should start to manage it, and the best things is if we get a correction for continuation. Anyway, right now we, the only things is we want to see whether we can look for continuation and the price can break the previous top or not, which is 0 point around 360. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.